How to private your Facebook account or how to set your Facebook account to private. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can set your Facebook account to private. Now, as on Instagram and TikTok, there is a feature on Facebook where you can set your account to private. Now, to do so, all you have to do is lock your account. However, you'll have to have the lock feature on your account. To do so, all you have to do is head into your Play Store or App Store and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If you don't have an update, what you can do is reset the app and later on you can update it. Once you do this, what you want to do is simply open up Facebook and log into your account and you'll get an interface like this. Now, tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of the screen that you can see below the messenger icon. Simply tap on it here and tap on the settings icon that you can see just below it again. And if you scroll down below under audience and visibility, you can see the first option, profile locking. You'll find it right there under audience and visibility. Simply tap on profile locking here and you can see lock your profile option popping up here. If you read under it, you'll find only friends will see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full size profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to search for you and send you friend request. Simply tap on lock your profile and your account will be private once you tap on it. So this way you can set your Facebook account to private. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.